That's a cicada. I'm in Indian Springs State Park. Looks like cicadas are really out and about. Some of them already got their job done. See a lot of holes. I think that's where the cicadas are coming from. I just came in for a walk. It's usually uneventful, but this time I see a lot of holes coming out. I hear a really intense sound in the background. I think there's cicadas already out there. It's a super amount of cicadas that came out today. This year. I'm sorry. I meant to say year, not today. Very crazy series of things going on in nature. The cicadas and the spring's already here. So we're gonna just checking out with you and just sharing with you that information. Alright, see ya. More cicadas in there. I don't know what is that. That is the source of the background noise. Just a stream of water flowing from this lake over here. So that's that was the mystery noise. I thought it was a swarm of cicadas making noise up in the trees. So it kind of echoes along the trail. Sounds like it is something else, something more ominous. But that's it. That was it. Let's keep going. I was not expecting to record today. So it may sound random, but anyway, see you later. See more of these berries. They're called Oregon grapes. Maybe Oregon grapes. That's according to Google Lens. I used the app to see what it was. No idea yet, but educated guess says it's our Oregon grapes, just for the shape of the leaves on this bush here. They look edible, but don't take my word for granted. Make sure you find out with anybody that you know that may be educated in the department of identifying edible plants. Anyway, let's keep going.